In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Wix, a fairly simple yet powerful tool if you want to keep certain parts of your website out of the public eye without deleting them entirely. Let's walk you through the process step by step to ensure you can manage your site seamlessly. To begin with, you'll want to open your browser and head over to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you've accessed the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and different sections available on your site. The design interface is pretty intuitive, but a bit of orientation can help you feel more comfortable as we move forward. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is activate the dev mode. You can find this option in the menu. Click on it. It's essentially the gateway to unlocking more advanced customization options. Once you've clicked on dev mode, there'll be a prompt to turn it on. Confirm your choice by selecting Turn on Dev Mode. This step is crucial as it provides you the coding capability and additional tools necessary for more intricate site adjustments, like hiding sections. With Dev Mode on, the next step is to select the specific section you'd like to hide. As you browse through your web page in the editor, you can simply click on any section you find and wish to temporarily remove from public view. Be sure not to rush through this step, as choosing the correct section is essential in achieving the intended outcome. Once you've got your section selected, it's time to collapse it. Look for the option that allows you to do so. It might be labeled as collapsed or something similar. By collapsing the section, it effectively hides it from the live view while keeping its content intact and ready to reactivate whenever needed. After collapsing the section, the next critical step is to save your progress. The save option should be readily available and is your way of telling the system to remember the changes you've made. Double check by clicking on Save and Continue, a safety net that ensures that none of your adjustments get lost in the shuffle. As soon as you've confirmed that everything is saved, go ahead and hit Done. This completes the cycle of editing and prepares Wix to take you to the final part of this process, namely the preview check. Finally, navigate to the preview button. Clicking on it allows you to see exactly how your site's visitors will interact with the website post-edit. It's a good practice to do this because sometimes what's hidden in the editor might still be somewhat visible in the live view. Depending upon how all other elements are interacting with one another, make sure to browse around a bit in preview mode to confirm that the section you intended to hide is indeed invisible. And there you have it, your guide to hiding a section on your Wix site. With these steps, you should be able to keep your web page organized and focus ready for your audience while preserving the original content to use whenever the need arises.